In the 4-month program, as you do it, whether you're doing it in Mexico or in the United States, the time will come at some point during the 4-month program where your body will try to detox through the skin. And so you may have rashes, you may have any type of skin reaction. There's so many, we're not going to name them all. You also may experience pain, discomfort in any part of the body, headaches to toes. This video is to show you what you can do to help you move along these 4 months when this happens. So when it happens, for the 2 or 3 days that you are experiencing it, or for the 1 day that it happens, whatever length of time, there is something you're going to do that will help you without having to add more products to your program. In the United States, you already get the 4 essential oils in your first month. You actually order it and it is included. And this is what you get in that program, your 4 essential oils, which are these. So I'm going to show you how I would use them when I have to address any of these issues that I mentioned, where the skin is erupting or where there's pain of any kind. And the reason this is going to work is because pain is identified by your brain. So you're going to try to help it with the oils. And the oils work in just a very different, beautiful way, added to help you move things along, which is what will cause the pain and the inflammation. So every time you take your drinks, you will, at the same time you're taking the drink, you will follow up with the oil. So if I am taking any one of these, because it's called sol mate in Mexico, cinnamate in the United States, when I am taking that drink in the morning, I will find my red labeled roll-on, which is Comfort, and I will open it up and put it on my wrist and rub them together. Breathe deeply, exhale. As slowly, as deeply as you can breathe in, as slowly as you can exhale. And what will happen is, as you're drinking your cinnamate, you are also breathing this in. You'll do that with each oil each time that you do each drink. So when it's time for Excel, you'll find your yellow coated one. When it's time for Vital in the afternoon between 1 and 4, you'll find Courage. And when it's time for Renew in the evening, you'll find Contentment. And you'll do the same thing. You'll rub it on your wrists, rub them together, and use it to deep breathe and exhale slowly. That will give you an added benefit to your program. And if your pain or discomfort lasts for 2-3 days, then you will do that for that amount of days. Look into a video that's called, it's an acronym, BLESS. It will give you 5 additional suggestions of things that will help you be successful as you move through any pain, any skin eruption that you're having. And remember, all those reactions are good ones. They actually indicate that your body is responding, because healing doesn't take place just like a walk in the park, but it does require sometimes a little bit of movement and detoxing, and this is just a way to help you without having to add additional products to your program. As I mentioned, in Mexico, this is not part of your first month. You did not buy it. So if you start on this 4-month program, you may want to add it from the very beginning, and if not, at any time during your program, this can be ordered separately and shipped to you. I know that this will help you be a little bit more successful in your 4-month program, and you will find that it does improve your health.